Welcome to the setup guide for battery-operated wireless smoke detector. This is a Wi-Fi enabled smoke detector that is connected to the Impact by Honeywell app on your phone. This video will guide you to set up and configure the battery-operated wireless smoke detector. To start with, this is the device. This is the smoke chamber. These are the LED indications. This is the buzzer. This is the test button. At the back, we have the battery placement location. To power on the device, verify the polarities and install the batteries. The LED light starts glowing, indicating that the device is powered on. Before installing the device, download the Impact by Honeywell app, which is available on both App Store for iOS and Play Store for Android. Create an account by filling in the required details. You can also fill in your GST information if you wish to claim GST in your invoice. Once the details are submitted, a confirmation email will be sent to you. Click on the link in the confirmation mail to activate your account. The account will become active after confirming the email. Open the app again and log in. Please grant the necessary permissions on the app after the account is created. The next step is to add the device to configure the device. Press the test button 3 times. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds. A red LED starts blinking in the interval of every 3 seconds, which means that the device is in the configuration mode. The device will be in the configuration mode for 4 minutes only. Go to the app, click on Add Device. Select Wireless Smoke Detector and follow the steps. After filling all required details, click on Connect and wait for the configuration. Once the device is configured properly, a beep sound is generated on the device and the LED will stop blinking. The device is now online, and you can check the same on app as well. Buy a new subscription by selecting an appropriate plan. You will now start receiving alerts. You can also check the subscription status in Information and Subscription on the app. Now, we will test the device. Press the test button. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds. You will get an audio alert on the device, along with push notifications on the Impact by Honeywell app. In case of smoke detected on the device will generate an audio-visual alert on the device along with a call on your mobile and a push notification on the app. You will also receive alerts on the app for device online, offline, and battery low. Before we install the device, please note that the device can be installed in indoor premises only. Do not install it in the kitchen or any other areas where constant smoke or fumes are present under normal conditions. Now, choose a location to mount the device. The device should be mounted at least 0.5 meters away from any lighting equipment, from the wall and edge of the beam, 1.5 meters away from the AC ventilation vent or any other vent. Using the template for screw mounting, drill 2 holes. Insert the screws and mount the device. Rotate the detector clockwise to install it. Here are some precautions and a few tips for you to maintain the device. First, we strongly recommend cleaning the smoke periodically to avoid false alerts. Second, for cleaning the smoke chamber, remove the top cover and clean the chamber using a vacuum cleaner. Third, to check the working of the device, use the test button function. Fourth, do not test the smoke detector with any live source of fire. And fifth, do not apply paint on the detector as it may damage the device. Now the device is ready to use. If you want to edit the Wi-Fi password or change the Wi-Fi network, press the test button 3 times. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds. A red LED starts blinking in the interval of every 3 seconds, which means the device is in the configuration mode. Now go to App, select the device, click on Edit Device and follow the process to update the password.